What really happened to TWA Flight 800? Have you ever wondered what led to the tragic crash of TWA Flight 800? This incident remains one of the most discussed aviation disasters in history. On July 17, 1996, TWA Flight 800, a Boeing 747-131, took off from John F. Kennedy International Airport in New York. Just 12 minutes into its flight, the aircraft exploded at an altitude of about 13,700 feet over the waters near Long Island. The explosion resulted in the loss of all 230 people on board. Eyewitnesses reported seeing a fireball in the sky, which sparked numerous theories about the cause. The National Transportation Safety Board conducted an extensive investigation to determine what went wrong. After thorough analysis, the board concluded that the explosion was due to a failure in the center wing fuel tank. This failure was caused by the ignition of a flammable fuel-air mixture inside the tank. While they could not pinpoint the exact source of ignition, they suggested that a short circuit outside the tank likely allowed excessive voltage to enter through the electrical wiring linked to the fuel quantity indication system. The design and certification of the Boeing 747 assumed that fuel tank explosions could be avoided by eliminating ignition sources. However, vulnerabilities in the wiring and heat sources located beneath the center wing tank allowed for ignition to occur. The investigation ruled out other potential causes, including structural failure, metal fatigue, and external explosions from bombs or missiles. Multiple agencies, including the Federal Bureau of Investigation, Federal Aviation Administration, and military intelligence, participated in examining the wreckage and evidence. They found no credible proof of criminal activity, despite initial concerns about a possible attack. Recovery efforts lasted over 10 months, successfully retrieving remains of all passengers and crew, as well as more than 95% of the aircraft wreckage. The tragedy of TWA Flight 800 led to significant changes in aviation safety standards. The National Transportation Safety Board recommended developing nitrogen-inerting systems to reduce flammable vapors and addressing wiring issues to prevent future accidents. In the end, TWA Flight 800 was destroyed by an accidental explosion in the fuel tank, attributed to a mechanical and design failure. This case highlights the importance of thorough investigation and collaboration among various agencies to rule out criminal causes in aviation disasters.